Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, it's kind of a nail haul video. I have two different companies to show you guys. And you guys know I used to use hard gel on my nails. I still love the hard gel. But I had an allergic reaction to something. And I know you can have an allergy to hard gel. Don't know if that was the culprit. I started a new medication, a prescription medication that was a cream, and I'm leaning more towards the cream because it is no longer affected just my fingertips, but it's going down my whole hand. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like my fingers, all the skin is like peeling off my fingers. This is the worst hand. This hand is not quite so bad. So I took the hard gel off. I have not been using the medication daily. And when I do use it, I'm wearing gloves. So once this heals up, but until then, I switched to something different, and that is dip powder. And I've used dip powder before. To me, it's just kind of messy, and I didn't really have the hang of it, so I didn't like how it looked. But after watching more videos, tutorials on how to do dip nails, and having now done it several times, I'm liking how my nails look. So this is dip powder. It does have a matte gel top coat over top, so they're matte. So let me show you what I have bought. I showed you a Sally haul. I'll leave that linked up above, where I bought like a dip kit, starter kit, which had all my liquids in it. It had 2 colors. And then I bought several other colors, and you can get that at Sally's Beauty. But guys, I wanted to try some other brands. So behind me, let me grab it, is a box I ordered from Amazon, and it is Beetles. Now you guys know I love the Beetles gel polish. I didn't know Beetles had dip powder until I was on YouTube watching videos, and I was like, oh, they're using Beetles. So I ordered this kit. It was under $20, I want to say. I'll leave it linked down below. But I think it was under $20 for not just 6, but 12 colors. And one of these colors is what I have on my nails. So let's open this up, and I will show you everything that come in. Now, it came in an outside box, and that outside box did have a little damage to it. So this box did get like a tear in it, which the product inside is fine. If it had been a little bit of a deeper hit, this one here would have probably got crushed, but it didn't, thank goodness. So they come very well packaged though. They're in styrofoam. There is a booklet of instructions. I'll toss that over there, but it is nicely illustrated and shows you all the steps. It shows you like all the steps, but children, go on YouTube and watch tons of videos. There are so many videos on how to do dip powder. There's different applications, and just watch a lot of videos before you get started is my recommendation. And let's show you the colors. I'm not going to open all of these because, you know, it is messy. But I'm going to pop these out and show you the colors through the jars, so you can kind of see. And we will do some videos with these once my hands have healed up a little bit. Because right now, I don't want them really filmed like up close because they are terrible. So there's the first one. This will make a good little tray for something if you just needed like something. Do any of you guys do your own nails at home? Because let me tell you, the last time I went and got a manicure and a pedicure, it was super, super, super expensive, and I will never do it again. I will never go get a mani and a pedi. I went and got a pedi for the cruise. And I can tell you that that polish was coming off my toes after 2 weeks, and it was gel polish. The pedicure I had before that, when I spent the bukus of money, the polish was coming off my toes the very same day. So I don't know if it's something they're doing with their gel polish where I go, where it's just not staying on. But when I do gel polish at home on my nails, I have to basically like crack a vault to get this stuff off my nails. So I don't know what they're doing with their gel polish there, but I'm just not happy. And when you're spending $45 or more for a pedicure, that needs to stay on longer than a day or 2 weeks. Okay, that's all I'm saying. So I'm learning to do my nails at home. Now you guys know I already bought a little Dremel. I have been doing gel polish, and I'm learning to do my nails at home, which has saved me a lot of money, because a mani, I think a S&S mani, which is dip powder, is like $45 or more. Guys, you can buy the starter kit for $40 and you have plenty of money, you know, left over to buy you some more colors. But anywho, let's get into this kit. So they're not named or anything. They're just numbers like usual. So this one is 040, and you guys can see it is a pretty pink. These do look darker once they're on your nails because they are wet with liquid. But it is a pretty pink. These do, I think, have like a little, yes, a seal inside. So they're nicely sealed. They're not going to make a mess when you first open them. So that one is a really pretty pink. Really pretty pink. There's also, this looks like a white 037. It looks like it's going to be a white. Let's pop the seal on that one. Yeah. It is just like a classic white. Let's just open them all up. Let's just go ahead and I'll show them to you that way and try not to make a mess. That is why I liked the hard gel. Okay, that's what the pink. That looks really dark in that lid, but it is very concentrated. There's the pink. So that's probably going to be a bright pink once you get it on your nails. I'm trying to stack those little seal pads up. This looks to be a really pretty kind of corally color. Oh, I didn't show you the number. There's what the inside of the little tab looks like. And there is that one. Ooh, that's about what color I had on my nails before this red. And that was a 041. This one looks like a real light lilac, 038, or kind of a purpley gray maybe. We're getting ready to find out. Yeah, it's like a pinky lilac. Pretty. Can't wait to use some more of these colors. Right now, I'm not soaking these off. I'm going to leave these on because of this. Because I don't need my fingers in acetone right now. So I'm going to leave this set on. This one's a glitter, and I didn't show you the bottom. I'll show that to you. I know you guys can't see that glitter. Whoops. It is a pink glitter. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to use that. Find that little pad. I don't want them. I want to keep them. I already did this one, didn't I? Nope. This one is 039. It looks more purpley. You know, something's got to fall on the floor. It's like a purple gray. That was its lid. Come here, you. If something does not fall on the floor, it's not a Shannon video. So yes, definitely kind of a purpley gray. Next up, this is a purple glitter. And it is 046. It is a purple glitter, guys. Oh, so pretty. All right. I think this, no, this is not the color I have on my nails. I don't know if it's open. No, this is not the color I have on my nails. This is like a true red. It looks like that. That's like a true red. And that number is 043. This is the color I have on my nails. It is 044. And it is like a wine. Tap that one down because I know it's open. And it's like a true kind of wine color. See what I'm saying? It's going to look darker on your nails. So this is what it looks like in the pot. This is what it looks like on my nails. But I do also have a matte top coat on there. Not a glossy top coat. I grabbed the wrong top coat by mistake. But it still looks good. Still turned out good. So I'm okay. I'm not mad. This one is a pink glitter. 047. Shake her back down. Oh, look at that. Okay. Those little things are sticky, so they're sticking to my nails. There's the pink glitter. Can't wait to use that one. Only 2 left of this one. And I have 2 other ones to show you. This is a deeper purple, 045. It is a deep purple. Shake her back down. I will leave the link to this down below. I'm not affiliated. I don't have an Amazon store or anything like that. That's just if you guys want to try it. It's easy for you to find it. So this is probably a really deep purple once it's on your nails. Really pretty. And then last but not least is a lighter pink glitter 048. See if I can show you the, ooh, right there. And it's a light pink, very pale pink glitter. So that is all of the glitters from the Beetles kit. And I have 2 other ones to show you guys. I really need some lotion on my hands. So let me grab a little bottle of Hints right here because they're looking and feeling rough. Oh, I don't know what got a hold of me, but I'm hoping they heal up soon and quit peeling. Hints is really good stuff too. All right, so the next 2 little containers I have to show you are from Revel Nails. And again, found this brand by watching YouTube videos. So a lot of the ladies that are doing dip on their nails on YouTube use this brand. And I thought, I'm going to go check it out because they had some beautiful looking chunky glitters. Sally's does not carry like chunky glitters. I wanted some chunky glitters. Now my fingertips are kind of, let me just kind of dry off my fingertips on my pants. So this came in a set. It was 2 for $15 and then the shipping, and it is a chunky pink glitter, and these do have names. This is D444 Rose Quartz, and the other one is D20 Erica. They look like this. Another very pale pink and a chunky glitter. And they had different sets for $15, which saves you a little bit of money because they range from like $7.99 for like a basic dip. And a few of the glitters I think were $7.99 up to like $10 for a luxe glitter. And those are like duochrome. I don't know. They were beautiful. There's like tons of glitters. But to show you, I'm going to get my shirt to open this up, I think, because my hands now have lotion all over them. This one is sealed. They do come sealed. Let's see if I can get this one open. There we go. This one's pretty much full to the top, so I can't tilt it too much. A very pale pink. I mean, like, very pale. Lighter than the other pink that's in the the Beetles set. And these bottles, these little jars, yes, they're plastic, but they look really nice. They look really nice. And yeah, I think that's on there. Once my hands dry, I'll put it on there better. And then this chunky glitter. Can you guys see it right there? Oh, and I do have it on the tips of my nails, but again, I grabbed the wrong top coat. I grabbed matte instead of the shiny, and I put the wrong top coat. And I'm not going to change it all just because I grabbed the wrong. It's still pretty. It still turned out nice, but it's just not as shiny as like, you know, I wanted it. So here is the glitter, and again, these are full to the brim. Full to the brim, guys. So they're not skimping out on just putting it to, like, to the shoulder here. It is full to the top. And let me tell you what the amounts on these are, because I didn't do that. The Beetles are 0.53, so just a hair over half an ounce. These are pretty good sized jars, so a little over half an ounce. The Revel nail is half an ounce, 0.5. And these, like I said, were two for $15 when you bought them as a set. They also have starter kits. They have the liquids. They have some nail accessory kind of things in there. But I'll definitely be buying more Revel to try. I haven't used anything but that glitter. And it was just like a little testy bit to see what it looked like. But that is the nail dip haul I have for you guys today. We will be doing some nail dip tryouts. And because I'm learning with you guys. This is only like my fifth set of dips. So I think I did pretty good. They look really nice, and my nails just kind of grow wonky, especially this one. See how it kind of goes to the side? This one kind of goes to the side. This nail is bigger than this nail. They're just kind of wonky, but you know, that's how it is. All right, guys, that is it for this nail haul. Let me know down below. Have you started doing your own manis? Because it's gotten outrageously ridiculous on prices. Let me know down below. And as always, guys, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.